Notebooks in teamwork projects provide a really useful means of posting important information to be shared with your project's users. For example, you could store login details for other sites, or maybe even information on how certain documents or tasks need to be structured. If we want to view our notebooks in a particular project, we just need to go into that project and make sure that we have the Notebooks tab selected here. Within the Notebooks tab, you can see here on the left hand side that we have our list of categories. So we can see the category name and the number of notebooks in that category. And if we want to add a new category, we can just go up here to Manage. And in the Notebook Categories pop-up window here, just select Add Category. And we need to give our category a name. So let's say that I want a category of notebooks that deal with equipment. And on the right hand side here, we can also select a color to be associated with that category. We can also choose to nest our new category under a current category by just selecting this checkbox and choosing the category that we want. And once we're happy with this, we just need to select Add Category, and you can see that our category has been added to our list. From here, we can choose to add another category if we want, or in this case, if we're happy, we can just select Finished. In the main body of the Notebooks window, we can see all of our notebooks for this project. So here we can see the version number of the notebook, we can see the name of the notebook, we can see the number of comments, and we can also see the most recent comment. Down here you can see a description of the notebook. We can quickly edit our notebook, we can edit the details of the notebook, we can delete our notebook, we can add tags, and we can quickly view our notebook. Over in the top right here, you can see that we can sort our list of notebooks by date, name, or category. And if we select the arrow icon next to the sort by dropdown, we can change the order between ascending and descending. We can also alter how we view our list of notebooks. So you can see here that we can have a list view, we can have our default expanded view, and we can have a grid view. If we want to add a new notebook, we can just go over here and select Add Notebook. And if we select the drop-down menu here, you can see that we can choose whether we want to use the HTML editor or use Markdown. So I'm just going to go with the default HTML editor. So in our Create a Notebook window here, we need to give our notebook a title, and we can also give it a short description if we want to. And below this is where we put in the main body of our notebook, so all the information that we want to present to our teammates. We also have a range of options for formatting our text. So you can see here that we can change the paragraph format, we can clear all formatting, we can change the font size, we can alter our text alignment, we can use bold, italics, underline, we can strike through, we can alter colors, we can insert a horizontal line, we can make use of ordered and unordered lists, we can decrease and increase our indentation, we can use quoting, we can also insert tables, we can insert links, images, we can undo our previous step, similarly we can also redo, we can choose to enter the code view, and we can also make our notebook full screen if we want to. So let's say that for this notebook, I want to create an ordered list of my content. So now if I ever want to add something new to our list, we can easily do that. Below this, we can select the people who we want to receive notifications of our new notebook. So let's say here that I want Victor and Tim to receive notifications of this notebook. And if we want to remove any of these users, we can easily do that by clicking the X icon beside their name. Below this, you can see that we can also add this notebook to a category. So let's put this notebook into our new equipment category. In the privacy drop down here, we can choose who exactly can see this notebook. By default, this will be everybody on the project, but if we want to, we can select only the people who we want to see the notebook. And down here, we can toggle whether or not this notebook contains sensitive content. If this box is checked, then the notebook will not have its content included in any emails sent out to the users. Once we're happy with our selections, we just need to select Create Notebook, and you can see now that our notebook has been added. Going back to our Notebooks tab here, you can see if you click the Options drop-down on the top right that we can choose to post a notebook via email, or again, we can manage our categories. If you ever want to find a specific notebook or set of notebooks in your project, you can easily do that using Teamwork's powerful filtering functionality. To create a filter, we just need to go up here to the top right and click the filter button. Here we're met with the series of filtering options, which we can use to refine our list down to only the notebooks that we want to see. So you can see here that we can filter by keyword, we can filter by tag, which can be as many or as few tags as you like. We can also filter by who created the notebook. Again, this can be more than one person if you want. So let's say that we only want notebooks written by Adrian and Victor Barry. Down here in the options section, we can select to only choose locked notebooks or to only show secure content notebooks. If we want to go back to showing all of our unfiltered notebooks, we can clear our filter, or optionally, we can also save our filter if we want to use it again. And there we go. That's how user-friendly Teamwork Project's notebooks system is.